Dr. Kenwitty, how do I live to 100?
Well, kiddo, that is a really stupid question. But anyway, I will answer it in a minute.
Alpha, Omega, kinetic energy, stupid questions answered cleverly.
So you're aiming to hit the 100-year mark? As a scientist with over 6 centuries of experience, guess what? I've got a number of compelling reasons why you might just reach 100 if you follow these tips. And trust me, this isn't something they teach you in school, do they? Now, let's get into the juicy details. First off, did you know that Emma Morano, one of the oldest people ever, credited her incredible 117-year lifespan to eating raw eggs every day? Yes, you heard that right. Raw eggs. If that isn't dedication, I don't know what is. But don't worry, you don't have to chug raw eggs to reach your golden years. I've got some more palatable tips for you. You might not believe it, but I tell you it's true. Healthy diet. A balanced diet is like the foundation of a house. Without it, everything else crumbles. Consistently eating an unhealthy diet, high in processed foods, sugar, and trans fats, can cut about 4 to 8 years from your lifespan. So next time you reach for that donut, remember it might be taking you a step closer to the finish line, and not in a good way. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your meals. You see, these foods are packed with essential nutrients that support overall health and longevity. Also, fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are excellent for gut health. A healthy gut can boost your immune system and reduce inflammation, which is crucial for longevity. I bet you didn't know that. And remember, if your food can last a century in a jar, maybe you can too. Speaking of which, my favorite snack back in the 1800s was a nice fermented sauerkraut sandwich. Regular exercise. Think of exercise as the oil that keeps your engine running smoothly. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity daily, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Regular physical activity helps maintain a healthy weight, reduces the risk of chronic diseases, and improves mental health. Sedentary lifestyle choices can reduce your life expectancy by up to 4.5 years. Looks like sitting is not just the new smoking, but also the new shortcut to an early grave. Time to get off the couch and chase after those pesky neighborhood kids, or maybe just a brisk walk would do. I bet you didn't know that even light activities like walking or gardening can add years to your life. Studies have found that people who stay active, even with light activities, tend to live longer and have a lower risk of heart disease. Quite interesting, huh? Just remember, you don't need to run marathons unless you're running from dinosaurs like I used to. Okay, maybe not dinosaurs, but a good sprint from a disgruntled horse can do wonders. Hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health. Water aids in digestion, nutrient absorption, and temperature regulation. It also helps keep your skin healthy and youthful. Now, this is the important part. The key to a long life isn't fancy supplements. It's actually hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body functioning optimally. But that they don't teach you in school, do they? Start your day with a glass of water with lemon. It helps kickstart your metabolism and flush out toxins. And if life gives you lemons, at least you'll have a refreshing drink. Avoiding harmful habits. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption are major health risks. Quitting smoking and limiting alcohol intake can significantly increase your lifespan. Each cigarette you smoke shortens your life by about 11 minutes. That means a pack-a-day habit could shave off around 10 years of your life. And here I was thinking the only thing shortening my life was waiting in line at the DMV. Drinking too much alcohol can shorten your life by up to 20 years, depending on your consumption levels. It turns out that happy hour could be making your life significantly shorter, not happier. So, cheers to moderation. Trust me, at a sprightly 623 years old, I've learned a thing or two, like how to appreciate a good pipe and a fine whiskey. But hey, do as I say, not as I do. Avoiding these habits is crucial for a healthier, longer life. Now, if you learn one thing from this lecture, let it be this. Smoking and excessive drinking can really throw a wrench into the gears, leading to all sorts of health issues like cancer and liver trouble. Swap out those vices for healthier options like cozying up with herbal tea or diving into a hobby that keeps your hands and mind busy. And remember, you can't keep adding candles to your cake if you're always puffing on a pipe, though I'll stick with my pipe. After all, do as I say, not as I do, right? At least my pipe collection hasn't been linked to any major health crises. Yet. Positive attitude. A positive outlook on life can have a profound impact on your health. Optimistic people tend to live longer and have a lower risk of chronic diseases. Stress can reduce your life expectancy by up to 3 years. So, the next time you find yourself stressing out over a delayed email, take a deep breath and remember, it's just an email, not a life sentence. If I could drop one piece of wisdom on you right now, it'd be this. Cultivate a positive attitude. Surround yourself with positivity, practice gratitude, and focus on the good in your life. Start your day with a positivity ritual. Spend 5 minutes each morning thinking about your goals and the things you're excited about. This simple practice can set a positive tone for your day and improve your overall well-being. And if all else fails, remember, no one ever complained about being too happy. In fact, I've found that grumpy old men don't live as long. Just ask my friend Ned. Oh wait, you can't. And this is where it gets interesting. Learning from the oldest people in the world. The oldest people in the world have fascinating stories and unique habits that have contributed to their incredible longevity. Jean Calment from France, who lived to be 122 years and 164 days old, holds the record for the longest confirmed human lifespan. Jeanne credited her long life to a diet rich in chocolate and a daily glass of red wine. Quite interesting, huh? Just goes to show, a little indulgence never hurt anyone. Well, unless you're allergic to chocolate. Currently, Maria Brañas Morera, a Spanish woman born in the USA, is the oldest living person at 117 years old. Maria attributes her longevity to avoiding toxic people and relationships. Imagine, cutting out the negativity not only boosts your mood, but might also add years to your life. It's like deleting spam emails from your inbox. So satisfying and beneficial. In Japan, known for its high number of centenarians, common factors for a long life include a healthy diet, regular exercise, social engagement, and an overall active lifestyle. They embrace what's known as ikigai, a reason for being, which keeps them motivated and active every day. So maybe we should all find our ikigai. Whether it's gardening, painting, or trying to finally understand how Wi-Fi works. Knowledge is power, and the mighty shall fear you. And there you have it, folks. Simple yet powerful habits that can help you live to 100. Remember, it's never too late to start making positive changes. Now, go on and apply these tips. Your future 100-year-old self will thank you. Until next time, stay curious and stay healthy. Well, kiddo, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. For more interesting videos like this, leave a like and subscribe to this channel. You don't want to die stupid, do you? And feel free to ask more questions in the comments down below.